Hello, welcome to today's video. The problem of the week is the length of the filament in a lamp is 0.40 meters. The resistivity of tungsten when the potential difference across it is 2.8 volts is 5.8 times 10 to negative 7 ohm meter. If the current in the filament is 0.50 ampere, calculate the radius of the filament. Now to solve this question, we are given the length of the lamp as 0.4 meters. The voltage is given as 2.8. The resistivity is given as 5.8 times 10 to the minus 7 ohm meter, and the current in the filament is given as 0.50 ampere. So the first thing we do here is to find the radius. The formula we're using in this question is resistivity formula, which is R equal to resistivity times length over area. So our first step is to find the resistance R, then we find the area, then from there we can find the radius of the filament. So step one, let's find the resistance using the Ohm's law formula, which is V equal to IR. So we transpose, we now have R equal to V voltage over the current. So our voltage is given as 2.8 divided by our current is given by 0.50. So if you put that in your calculator, 2.8 divided by 0.50, that will give us 5.6 ohms. That's step one. Step two, let's find the area. So if we transpose this, we have area equal to resistivity times length over the resistance or resistor. So log in the value. So our resistivity is given as 5.8. So we have 5.8 times 10 to the minus 7 times our length is 0.40. So 0.4 divided by our resistance is 5.6. Now, if you put that in your calculator, that should give you 4.14, give us 4.14 times 10 to the negative 8 meters squared. Now, to find the radius, remember it's a filament and it's circular in shape. So we use the area of the circle, which is area equal to pi r squared. We have to find the radius of the filament, so we transpose, so we have r squared equal to the area over pi. So our area is what? Our area is 4.14 times 10 to the negative 8 over pi. So put that in your calculator, we get 1.32 times 10 to the negative 8. So to get our r, we take the square root of both sides. So the square root of r, the square root of this. So this, the power 2 cancel the square roots. So we have r equal to, put this in calculator, square root of 1.32 times 10 to the negative 8 will give us 1.15 times 10 to the minus 4 meters. So this is the radius of the filament. At this point, I want you to note that a very small radius means that the filament is thin, which increases resistance and allows it to glow when current passes through it.